Acceptance. Spiritual mind treatment or affirmative prayer really is something we do to ourselves. The only direction we give to this treatment, this prayer, this affirmation of acceptance, is that we identify it with the person we are working for or the condition we wish to help. This is neither willing, concentrating, coercing, nor compelling anything or anyone. It is rather a quiet inward acceptance, an affirmation of our conviction, based on the theory that there is a spiritual perfection at the center of all things in the universe, and that there is a fundamental good governing all things. There is one life, that life is God, that life is my life now. Consciously, we identify ourselves with it. Definitely, we affirm the one presence and the one power operating in, around, and through us. Anything that denies the supremacy of good is itself but a mistake in judgment. As we come to open up our thought to a greater acknowledgement and acceptance of the divinity that resides within us, we find ourselves on a pathway to achieving the purpose for which we were created, to express the nature of the divine, the source of our being. Today, I accept my own affirmations. There is nothing in me that can contradict them. I have a deep inward sense, feeling, conviction, and complete faith that there is a power of good governing everything, that it is governing completely with absolute certainty, without deviation, without exception, and that there is nothing to oppose it, to change it, to limit or circumscribe its action. I abandon myself to this faith, live in its atmosphere, and accept its conclusion. I know that I am a divine being on the pathway of an endless self-expression, and that the eternal God is my host, now and forevermore. I am the Almighty God. Walk before me, and be thou perfect. Genesis 17:1.